Hi everybody, how you doing? Welcome to Mr. Dave's Piano Lessons. This is lesson 11. This is the circle of fifths. Now guys, this has to do a little bit of a science and all that, and I will show you the finished product first. It looks like this. And later on we'll come back to it, but there is some science and math involved with this. Okay, so everybody, circle of fifths. Now, the first thing we're going to do is get your pens and paper out, and you copy all this down. Circle of fifths, all right? And then in parentheses, you put 7 half steps. Now, as you know, a half step is the next nearest note. All right, now here's the progression. You write these notes down. C, comma, G, comma, D, A, E, B. You have to put F sharp or G flat. There's a reason for this. And then D flat, A flat, E flat, B flat, F. Okay? So that's our 12. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Now, write those down. Pause. Write it down. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to play them. And this has a really beautiful sound to it, and it makes what's called a Lydian scale, which we'll talk about that. That's a whole nother batch of lessons. Okay, now, we're going to play these notes. This is a really low C, everybody. And then, to get to the next one, if you don't know what a fifth is, you count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? That's how we do it. So, let's say our notes. C, 7 up is G, 7 up is D, 7 up is A, 7 up is E, 7 up is B, 7 up is F sharp or G flat, and then we're going to have to go to D flat here. Okay, but you know what? Let's go back down D flat here, because we're going to get too high on the piano. There's our D flat again, then A flat, then E flat, then B flat, then F. That's a really nice sound. Okay, listen to it again. I'll go way down low. And that has kind of a cosmic, you know. There's 12 months in the year, and there's 7 notes in the major scale. These are all interesting mathematical equations. Okay, next slide. Everybody, draw your big bug. This is a big bug, guys. It's a circle. Take a circle, divide it into 4 parts first, and then each quadrant add 2 slashes. That gives you 12 sections to draw the circle of fifths. And you're doing this on your own. Everybody get your pens and pencils. Pause, draw a big old circle. Thank you. All right. Now, next. All right. We have the completed slide of our circle of fifths. Now, on the outside, you write your notes. And this arrow means this half of the circle is dealing with sharps. This half of the circle is dealing with flats. Okay, here we go. All right, write your notes. C, G, D, A, E, B, and then F sharp or G flat. This is where they meet. Okay? All right, remember, this side of the circle is dealing with sharps. Okay, then on the inside of the circle, you write your numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that has to do with how many sharps. All these are representative of scales. These are your scales. These are your order of sharps and number of sharps. Okay, this side of the circle, everybody, here we go. This side of the circle is flats. All right? And we're going to go backwards. This is the circle of fifths backwards. All right? Let's see what that sounds like. It's C, F, E flat. Let's say it again. C, F, B flat, E flat, D flat. Let's say it again. Backwards is a little harder, guys. C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, Fifths have a very distinct sound. Okay? So you ended up there. All right. So here we go again. Now, these numbers represent how many flats in the scale. C has 0, F has 1, B flat has 2, E flat has 3, A flat has 4, D flat has 5, and G flat has 6. Okay. All right. I want to see your handwritten circle of fifths, please. Pause and write. Thank you. All right. Next. All right. Keep those little fingers busy. You're writing before you play a single note. All right. Here we go. Now, remember, this was the this side of the circle. Okay. Sharps. Now, you're going to write this even before, and then we're going to get manuscript paper out and write it on manuscript paper. All right. So, G has 1 sharp, it's F sharp. D has 2, it's C sharp, F sharp. A has 3, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp. E has 4, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, D sharp. B has 5 sharps, guys. C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp. F sharp has 6 sharps. C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp. Sharp, 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 sharp. Now, you'll notice that these sharps are also a fifth away. Let's look down here at the bottom, guys. C sharp to F sharp is a fifth. F sharp to G sharp. Fifth. Fifth, 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 fifth. Okay, let's play it. Start on C sharp. Okay, and then G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, and E sharp. Once again, the distinctive sound of fifths, kind of an astral out in space. Space indeed, guys. Next slide. Woo! How we doing, everybody? Okay, do some jumping jacks. All right, here we go. Flats. This dealt with this side of the circle. Okay? Now, and once again, these are fifths going down on our circle. All right, gotcha. Now, here we go. F. 1 flat, it's B flat. B flat. Okay? 2 flats, B flat, E flat. The key of E flat has 3 flats. B flat, E flat, A flat. Write it down. A flat. 4 flats. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. 5 flats. D flat, the key of D flat. Here we go. Say it with me. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. The key of G flat has 6 flats. Here we go. Let's say it fast. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat. Woo! Okay, now, here's the last part of our lesson. Okay, guys? Get your manuscript paper out, please. All right, this is heavy duty, guys. You got to get these on the right lines. Write yourself a treble clef, and through the top line, checkerboard square is an F sharp. That's the key of G. The key of D is F sharp, C sharp. C sharp is the second space down. All right, next key signature. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp sits on top. Okay, next key signature. All right, now that's the key of A. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. D sharp is through the second line down. All right, now 5 sharps is the key of B. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp. And the fun key is the key of F sharp, 6 sharps. And there is a key of 7 sharps, but we're not going to deal with that for right now. Okay, 6 sharps, guys, the key of F sharp. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp. E sharp is a white note. Okay, you take E and you go up half step. It's really F. But this is the key of F sharp. Okay, I'm moving fast, so pause when you need to. All right, write our flats down. Key signatures. 1 flat, right here, B flat, that's the key of F. Okay, this is the key of B flat, E flat. This is the key of E flat. It has 3 flats, B flat, E flat, A flat. Next, guys, this is the key of A flat. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. Pause, write it down. 5 flats, guys, 5 flats. All right? That's the key of D flat. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. Right there. Okay, 6 flats, guys. Right here, 6 flats. 6 flags, 6 flats, Magic Mountain. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and C flat. That is the key of G flat. Wow, guys, that was hardly any playing and all writing. Okay, that's a big deal, guys. Everybody say circle of fifths. Looks like something from outer space. It is from outer space. Okay, thank you so much, guys. You got to help me, do more. Tell all your friends. Tell your uncles, your cousins, and everybody on planet Earth. And then we're going to go on to planet Mars and start a whole new channel. Thank you so much, guys. See you later.